The St. Thomas police are on the hunt for 4 gunmen who robbed a supermarket in Seaforth. The incident happened Friday night, leaving customers and staff shaken. CCTV footage shows the men making off with several goods. Councillor for the Seaforth Division, Joan Spencer, is concerned.
What I'm really concerned about what is happening in Seaforth, because they break into houses. The other day down at Central York, they break into several houses, and they break into houses down at York. Right, the police is handicapped at this time because the vehicle that they have is inadequate. So I'm just calling on the authority to try and give Seaforth a better vehicle so that they can patrol the area.